we talked about how Todd Blanche was the president's personal attorney, right? You and I covered the hush money trial. He was there every single day. And you also mentioned that he lost that case on behalf of the president. There has been a lot of criticism that the president weaponizes the Department of Justice and has been weaponizing the Department of Justice to go after his perceived foes, right? We're talking about Adam Schiff, New York AG Letitia James, Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell. We could go on, right? You asked Todd Blanche who the boss is at DOJ right now, as he is the acting attorney general. Is it him? Was it Pam Bondi? Or is it the president of the United States?
So he is my boss, and every president is the Attorney General's boss from the time the Constitution was enacted and the time that an Attorney General was selected. And so who is calling the shots? I mean, I think everybody in this country knows and has known for 250 years that the President of the United States, when it comes to the executive, calls the shots.
What do you make of what Todd Blanche said and how he basically sees the future of the Department of Justice under his leadership in that thinking?
Basically, since Watergate, the general idea has been when the public has a perception that all is not on the up and up and fair at the Department of Justice, bad things start to happen. And
right.
So there was, for a period of time, up until very recently, an effort to have some, at least, illusion of distance between the White House and the Justice Department. That illusion is
erased.
Completely erased. And they're not hiding it because they don't think that there's anything wrong. This is part of what they call the unitary executive theory, the idea that basically all power flows from the president under Article 2 of the Constitution, and therefore the president can hire or fire anybody he wants. And Todd Blanche would be the first one to say, if he wants to fire me tomorrow, I would say, no problem. Thank you, sir. I love you so much. He would admit to that. And so I think it is sort of glaring or sort of takes people by surprise because for so many years there was so much of an effort to try to keep it separate, right?